ACP Cloud1 ACP Cloud Computing Certification exam gives you the full authority and chance to upgrade your skillset together with the energy of vision. How to prepare for ACP Cloud Computing Certification well to achieve the certification successfully. ACP Cloud1 Dumps questions are newly released by the top team of DumpsBase, which are written according to the ACP Cloud1 ACP Cloud Computing Certification exam objectives and topics. Candidates will be well ready to pass Alibaba Cloud ACP-Cloud1 exam in the first attempt by reading the actual ACP Cloud1 Dumps questions. DumpsBase could be the pioneer supply for supplying the ideal ACP Cloud1 PDF dumps with accurate ACP Cloud1 exam questions and answers, which will surely set you up for the results inside the very first try. This video shares ACP Cloud1 free dumps questions online to help you check why we recommend ACP Cloud1 dumps questions. Question number 1. Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service (OS) is a cloud storage service that features massive capacity, outstanding security, low costs, and high reliability. In an OS bucket, all elements are stored as _blank. A. Hashes. B. Keys. C. Objects. D. Stubs. Answer. C. Question number 2. Alibaba Cloud Content Delivery Network (CDN) performs content acceleration with the support of intelligent DNS resolution. The following function _blank _ is not included in intelligent DNS resolution. A user request is directed to the server nearest to the customer based on location information of the pre-configured IP section. B. The intelligent DNS resolution can parse the same domain name into different IP addresses based on the IP of different visitors. C. The intelligent DNS resolution supports web page content caching. A user will receive data from the origin site at first-time access, and then will be reading data from cache in subsequent requests. D. If a user activates mirror sites in different IDCs, intelligent DNS resolution can achieve load balancing by guiding customers in different places to different mirror sites. Answer. D. Question number 3. Many websites have suffered DDoS attacks of different volumes. Therefore, accurate understanding of DDoS attacks is critical to website security protection. Which of the following statements about DDoS attacks is the most accurate? A. The purpose of a DDoS attack is to steal confidential information. B. The main purpose of a DDoS attack is to prevent the target server from providing normal services. Currently, the DDoS attack is one of the strongest and most indefensible website attacks. C. A DDoS attacks crack the server's logon password by means of a massive number of attempts. D. DDoS attacks primarily target databases. Answer. B. Question number 4. If an administrator often needs to manage multiple ECS instances in an Alibaba Cloud VPC through the Internet, which of the following solutions can meet this need at low costs and without affecting system security? A. None of these answers are correct. D. Choose an ECS instance from VPC and make it as the bastion host and then apply an EIP and bind it to this ECS instance. After that, the administrator can manage other ECS instances through this bastion host. C. Modify the VPC security group policy to allow access from the Internet. D. Bind an EIP to each of the ECS instances, and jog onto each of these ECS instances to manage them. Answer A. Question number 5. Which of the following privilege is required to manually install Alibaba Cloud Security Center on the server? A. Database access privilege. B. Common user privilege. C. System administrator privilege. D. FTP service privilege. Answer B. Question number 6. SLB is a load balancing service that distributes traffic to multiple cloud servers. It provides a wide range of functions to meet the needs of various business scenarios. If a user wants to use SLB and ECS instances to deploy two-way authenticated HTTPS websites, the following statement is correct: _blank. A. SLB can only host SSL certificates, not CA certificates. B. You need to host server SSL certificates and client CA certificates on SLB. Circa SLB can only host CA certificates, not SSL certificate. D. SLB can only support HTTPS one-way authentication. Answer D. Question number 7. To meet business requirements, a user requires that the backend server of an SLB instance include a primary ECS instance and a secondary ECS instance. When the primary instance is working properly, the traffic is only forwarded to the primary ECS. When the primary instance is down, traffic is switched to the standby instance. In this case, you can create an active, standby server group on the back end of the SLB instance. Which kind of listener supports this feature? Number of correct answers: 2. A. HTTPS. B. HTTP. Circa UDP. D. TCP. Answer A. C. Question number 8. Which of the following scenarios can be done using Alibaba Cloud Express Connection? Number of correct answers: 2. A. Intranet communication between VPCs and Smart Access Gateway in customers' different branch offices. B. Intranet communication between a VPC and servers in an external IDC. C. Intranet communication between two VPCs in different accounts and different CIDR blocks. D. Intranet communication between two VPCs under the same account in the same region. Answer A. C. Question number 9. By using Aspara DB for RDS to implement read-write splitting, which of the following can be achieved? Number of correct answers: 2. A. Write requests are distributed to multiple instances. B. Read requests are distributed to multiple instances. C. Read write requests to the database are separated. D. Both read and write requests are distributed to multiple instance. Answer. A. D. Question number 10. For ECS and RDS instances under different Alibaba Cloud accounts but in the same region, which of the following statements is not correct for migrating self-built MySQL databases, running on ECS, to RDS? A. The data can be imported via the intranet. B. The data cannot be migrated. C. The data can be imported via the public network. D. The data can be imported by running MySQL dump. Answer. D.